What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. My name is Sharena, and today we are making some Christmas sacks. You want to head over to your local Dollar Tree and look for these white satin pillowcases. These are usually located on the same aisle as the bathroom items. Although they say satin pillowcase, these are indeed 100% polyester, meaning it's 100% safe to sublimate on. To decorate these pillowcases, I went over to Etsy and typed in Christmas delivery bag PNG, and they had a ton of images that you can choose from to decorate your pillowcase to create your sack. You want to find one where you can add your kid's name to it. I have already downloaded the two that I'm going to use. I'm going to create my design on Canva, a free app, using the custom size page 10 by 12. I'm going to go over to uploads and upload my picture that I downloaded and spread it out so it fits the entire page. Next, I'm going to go over to text and type out my child's name, Cortez, and then I'm going to look up a Christmas font and choose a font that I like. It's called Milestone, and then I'm going to change the name color to red. Make it a little larger to fit on the to line, and then I'm going to download it to my computer. And it's just that simple. I'm going to do the exact same thing for my second design. I'm going to go to uploads, upload the photo that I downloaded, stretch it out to fit the entire page, go over to font. I'm going to change the font to the same as the last one, Milestone, but I'm going to change the name to the color pink. Make it larger to fit on the to line, and then I'm going to download it to my computer. Again, very simple. As always, I use Silhouette Studio to print, so I'm going to upload my image, and then I'm going to change it back to a 10 by 12. I have a small format printer, so I'm going to have to break this up using the cutting tool to cut it in half. Once it's cut in half, I'm then going to print. Whatever is on your white page layout is what's going to print. So we're going to have two prints. I'm going to print my first page, then I'm going to drag my second piece over to the page, and then I'm going to print this. Same exact thing for my second design. I'm going to upload it, change it back to a 10 by 12. And because I have a small format printer that only prints 8.5 by 11, I'm going to use the cutting tool to cut it in half. And then I'm going to separate it, put my first piece on my page. Remember, again, whatever's on your page is what's going to print. And then I'm going to select print and print out my first half. Once that's printed, bring my second piece over to my page, click print, and print out my second half. Once everything is printed, you should have two printouts per design. Because I have a small format printer, this is what I have to do to create a larger image. I have two videos on my page showing you exactly how to do this if I did it too fast and you couldn't really understand. I will link those videos down in the description. So if you have a small format printer, sublimation printer that only prints 8.5 by 11, I will link to the videos down below on how to print larger images like I just did. It is a lot slower, so be sure to go check those videos out if you didn't quite understand how I got to this point. Right now, I'm just cutting the white border away from one of my printouts so that I can tape it together, kind of like a puzzle. You bring it all together and then you tape it using your heat tape. Be sure to not get any heat tape where your image is printed. It will mess up your image in the long run. Also, flip your image over and tape down the seam, and now you're good to go. Next, you want to position your image onto your pillowcase. You can either do this one or two ways. You can put your image on and press it, or you can press the pillowcase and get the wrinkles out first and then put your image on. I'm going to press my image first and then go back and press the wrinkles out. Again, you want to make sure you use heat tape. Put your image about 4 inches away from the bottom. Make sure it's nice and center, and then you can press. Next, I'm going to heat press this at 395 for 50 seconds. You want to make sure you put a piece of butcher paper or a Teflon sheet or poster board in between your pillowcase so that the ink doesn't bleed through. I'm pressing at 395 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 seconds. And I'm using my HTVRONT new auto heat press. It's called the 2-digit. The drawer pulls all the way out, as you can see. This heat press is perfect for your bigger sublimation projects like today. Again, this is the new heat press by HTVRONT. It has a bigger screen. It has a wider clearance for all of your bulky items like hoodies and blankets. You can also adjust the pressure on this heat press for all of your bulky items. The drawer pulls all the way out, as you could tell when I was pressing the pillowcase. Also, this heat press is manual or automatic, so you can put it in automatic mode or manual mode. This heat press is on sale, so check out my description. Also, I can save you $60 off this heat press as well, so be sure to check the description for all of the links. And back to our Christmas sacks. This is what they look like. This is how they turned out. The colors are vibrant. Like I said, these pillowcases are 100% polyester, so they're perfect for sublimating. As you can see, they take ink very well. Look how clear that is. They came out nice and cute. And all you have to do now is add in your gifts. Now, I didn't have any gifts to add into these today, so I'm going to throw in some throw pillows. But you can throw in your gifts, your boxes, or whatever you have to put in these. These are also perfect if you bought a lot of clothes or something for somebody. You can just toss them in here instead of having to put them all in those little clothes gift boxes or whatever. That's just probably what I'm going to do anyway. Because, you know, those clothes, those little boxes only can fit a certain amount of clothes at a time. But anyway, once you load up all of your gifts, you want to take your Christmas ribbon and tie a bow around the top. Once you got your bow tied, then you can stand it up and kind of look and see how long or how short you want the legs of the bow to be. And I didn't want my bow to cover up any of the image, so I cut my legs of the bow kind of short because I wanted to be able to see the entire image on the Christmas sack. And this is how it turned out. I think these are so cute. And you want to do this for both of your sacks. And then you can place them under your tree. Don't judge my Christmas tree, by the way. I know you've seen it back there. It was just there for decoration. I haven't put any ornaments on it yet. But here we are, y'all. This is the final look. We are here for the Christmas sacks. And they turned out so cute. And this could be an alternative for stuffing stockings too as well. But we're at the end of the video, and I will see y'all in the next one.